Hello, class. My name is Michael Elms, and I'll be your instructor for this semester. I wanted to create a video to help you get started with week one. The first thing I would do, just make sure you're aware of all the online resources designed to help you succeed in this course. If you click up here, I'm going to click the MAT-1300 heading just to reset the screen, and I click Online Student Services. If you have any kind of tech issues, the help desk is really good. Here's the help desk support number. They're available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. So for any kind of tech issues, I would definitely check this area out. For Brightspace learning management system issues, you might want to take a look over here. I also want to talk about, academic support. If you're having trouble with the actual subject, so your computer's acting fine, but you're having trouble with the math, there is an online STEM center that you can access through Academic Support Center links. I'll just click on that quickly. And you see Online Math Center, STEM. So if I click on one of these, you can try either STEM, right, for science, technology, engineering, math, or you can click Online Math Center. You can see that we have live workshops. We have a learning community that you can enter by going to this area. You can try our additional resources, our workshop calendar, but I'm going to click this live workshop link, and let's see what happens. Okay, so SNU Online Math Center, workshops. You see workshops this week. You have recorded workshops, and you see workshops next week, and it keeps going. So just find the workshop that means something to you, right? MAT 140. You might want to look at some of those videos, right? Or I'm sorry, MAT 130. This is our statistics course, and so on. Okay. Okay, I'm going to X out of this and go back to our home page. Right, so this was MAT 130, the home page. And really, to get started, I'm going to click Course Menu, Learning Modules, and you'll see Start Here. And this is really to help you get started. All right, here's a copy of our syllabus, our guidelines and rubrics, and so forth. But you really want to pay close attention to the syllabus. Okay. Next, you're going to want to enter Module 1 to see what our work is for week 1. Right? Module 1 really means week 1, week 2, week 3, and there's 8 modules. There are 8 weeks in the semester. So here you'll see some links that you can click to get started, an overview. Looks like we're going to cover basic statistics, data types, and sampling methods. There's also a discussion assignment due this week. Most of the discussion assignments are optional. However, during the week 1, you will have a mandatory discussion assignment. So make sure you answer each of the prompts in this particular discussion assignment. Provide a short introduction, and then after reviewing the course outcomes, by the way, the course outcomes can be found in the syllabus. Right, I just happen to have a handy copy here. Right, this is your syllabus for MAT 130, and you'll see these are your course outcomes. Take a peek at these. Okay, let's get out of here. So for question 2, you're going to want to take a look at those course outcomes, and then for question 3, again, you're going to review the syllabus and answer some questions. Right. What activities and resources will you need to be successful in this course? Probably you'll need an ebook or a copy of the textbook. There's some technology that you can use to help. StatCrunch is my favorite. Microsoft Excel is another. We use StatCrunch in the next course, MAT 240, which is Applied Statistics. So this is a good opportunity to get familiar with StatCrunch. Then down here you'll see this is the optional discussion assignment, and then your first My Math Lab assignment. This is really an orientation assignment, just helps you get familiar with the course. And then we have our 1-4 MyMathLab problem set. Okay. You might wonder, where is MyMathLab? Well, if you click here, MyMathLab, you'll see there's homework assignments, there are quizzes and tests. You're going to want to take a look at the homework assignments. I have an instructor version of this. And let's take a look at your 1-4 assignment. So I'm going to preview the questions. And these are all of the questions. So it looks like there are 15 questions in this assignment. And so, for example, a blank is a numerical summary of a sample. I believe the answer is statistic. A blank is a numerical summary of a population. I believe that's parameter. And just think, P for population, P for parameter, sample starts with an S, statistic starts with an S. Let's check our answer. And it says, great job. I'm going to jump ahead to say question 15. Now let's say you're having trouble with this. You're not sure what to do. You have some help buttons here, question help. So if I click on it, you'll see we can see help me solve this, view an example, show me a video. All of these things are meant to help you. Here's your access to StatCrunch. So if you're not sure how to do this, well, you might say, well, where is this in the textbook? You click on textbook and gotta wait for it. You might have a pop-up blocker, so in the corner, if you see like a little red flag or a red something, make sure you enable your pop-ups. And it looks like it's bringing me to my textbook. Okay, so it talks about StatCrunch, and then down here, all of a sudden, there's a definition for stratified sample. And if you want to change the pages, you're going to use these arrows up here, right, to go to page 31. You keep clicking it, and you'll move throughout the book. Okay, so definitely take advantage of these help support buttons. Okay. I also wanted to mention, when you click on My MathLab Homework, I believe it will show you the next 2 weeks worth of assignments. So week 1, you'll have an assignment right here, 1-3 and 1-4. And then week 2 or module 2, you'll see 2-2. And generally, we show you 2 weeks of homework at a time. So, you can work ahead if you have the time to work ahead. Okay, just want to get back to our home page. I also want to mention you should probably check the announcements section of Canvas. Usually I'll post items in here at least once a week, usually 2 or 3 times a week. And also the general discussions area, I plan to post help videos, support videos. I create the videos from home. I'm no Steven Spielberg, but I do my best to try to create videos to help answer questions that are commonly asked. Hopefully that's enough to get you started. I really look forward to working with you this semester. Please, feel free to reach out to me with questions or comments. Let's have a great semester.